Welcome to Homework Lib.
We're going to have a point x and y, which is going to have a representation in polar coordinates of 7.81, pi over 8 radians. This means that the distance from the origin to the point is going to be equal to 7.81, and that the angle that it's going to make with respect to the positive x-axis is going to be equal to pi over 8 radians. Now, with this information, what we want to know is what is going to be the value for the radial coordinate meaning the first coordinate, for the point represented minus 2x minus 2y. So the first thing that I want you to notice is that this point is going to be located on the third quadrant over here, and that is going to be a little bit larger than the original point, of course, because we are simply multiplying by minus 2, my original value. So the angle is not going to change, but the radial coordinate is going to change. So remember, whenever we're in 2 dimensions and we're dealing with polar coordinates, the radial coordinate is going to be equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared, where x and y are going to be the points on x and y that we're going to have represented for that coordinate. So in this case, the radial coordinate for the specific case that we had needs to be equal to 7.81. Now for the new point, I'm going to do it all in purple for the new one. The radial coordinate for minus 2x, minus 2y is going to be equal to the square root of minus 2x squared plus minus 2y squared. This is nothing but 4 times x squared plus 4 times y squared, square root. If we factorize the 4 and take the square root, this is going to be equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 7.81. Sorry, times, I skip a step over here, times x squared plus y squared. But we said that this value is equal to 7.81 from here, right? And the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So this is going to be 2 times 7.81, which corresponds to 15.62. And this is going to be our radial coordinate for this point. For minus 2x minus 2y. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.